Okay folks, so we are here at the Moynalty Steam Threshing Festival 2019 and it's a bit of a swamp in places now, to be honest with you. There's my wife, just having a look at the mud here anyway, Mr. Whippy, obligatory, and we're just going into where the classic car display is. So, what we have is, unfortunately I didn't get to bring the golf in. I was going to bring it in for a show, but trying to get the baby organised early on was a bit difficult. So well, what I'll do is I'll go around a little bit and show you a few of the kind of the more interesting things as we go along. MGA, Golf GTI Cabriolet there, Morris Minors, Hillman, a very cool Toyota, a few more. And there's an Opel Manta up there. I'm surprised actually at how many good cars came out actually today, given the way the weather was yesterday. I actually thought that this show was going to be cancelled, to be honest, but it wasn't. There you go, Citroen Diane. There's one for Hope Note. Old school Volvo and oh look, in Austin. Cool. So let's it's actually quite busy here today. I have to take a short video here of Rodney the dog with the Reliant. There are some serious cars here. Oh look, it's a 91. Excellent. I didn't think they were going to let 91s into this show because they're kind of pre-1989 kind of thing, but I'd say they're probably a bit more lenient with it. That's why I was wondering would they've even let the Golf in, but we were going to try it one way or another. Unfortunately we just got here too late, as I said. The Austin Allegro is so cool.
He's one of the ones that I would have mentioned earlier who passed away since he was here with us last year. So to his family and many friends, we send our sympathies. And of course, in the absence of Gordon, the show was on.
The announcements in the background always make me laugh. There is a child trapped in the tunnel of goats. Can the nurse please come to free the child from the tunnel of goats? VW bus. Via Westphalia. Very nice Mark 1 Golf. Mark 1 GTI down beside it.
And they're still taking applications and entries for the dog show.
Oh great, there's a dog show. Did you hear that, Rodney? Exciting times. See if we can get you another rosette. Black GTI Mark 1, nice. I kind of like the base spec Golf stuff as well too, you know, or the poverty spec ones. A few Land Rovers. Don't ask me what it is, but it is some beast of a machine. The size of it. Willie's Jeep's over there as well. The open top one. Gorgeous on the day like yesterday. Mudfest. Say a few of those tractors now would be ideal in that kind of mud, although I'd say they were some of the ones that actually caused it in the first place. We'll go around to tractors a bit later on. I know nothing about tractors, but we'll have a look at them nonetheless. They're kind of cool. Look at that for a machine. They just do not make it like that anymore. That's why I love steam engines. I'd love to have the time, the space and the money to do something like this, but it just is never going to happen.
Thank you so much for coming and supporting the show. This is our first football show. 1976.
They really have it all here. There's even a dog show. There's Rodney doing this thing over there. With Aoife. And here we are for the Ladies Dog Handling Championships 2019 at Moynalty. And yes, look at the foam. Isn't it absolutely fantastic? God, they take it very seriously here. No messing about. Even the young lad is mesmerised. You got a little smile for the camera and everything. And here we have Rodney Jack Russell Cross. Lined up on the podium.
You're going to die. Don't eat poison mice. Poison mice are bad, aren't they?
Words to live by.
But here, he's not that much of an eagle. Watch this. 1, 2, 3. And he's only a year old. Yeah. He's called an ash face barn owl. He's the same as this barn owl. It's just that he has an ash face.
From Ford Cortinas to ash face barn owls. Where else would you get it?
An ash face.
I absolutely love these stationary engine displays. I actually feel the ground vibrating under this one. I could watch these things all day. I want to actually buy one and do one up. Not one that size, but a smaller one, like a Lister D or something like that. Could be one of my projects. Unbelievable. It's like something out of something that Doc Brown would have come up with in 1885.
In Albany, Monaghan, next August the 18th, next Sunday, starting on the 7th.
Trying to get a video when your man shuts up in the background is difficult.
The 7th annual field day at Harrington Cross, Big Flavin providing the music there.
1940.
On the 1st as well, a vintage threshing and working day at Matt Doyle's in Corey. Mullen there there. Corey, County Wexford, and their second annual vintage day, Sunday the 8th of September at Moor. On Sunday the 27th of October, almost the last show of the year, so that's
Brilliant. All this thing about saving the world through emissions and everything like that, and here's a load of engines just sitting here doing nothing. But it's great, I love it. I could be tempted for the right price, but is it a bit heavy? I think I might get something a bit smaller than that. Trying to move it, I tried to just shift it on its side even, and Jesus Christ, it must weigh about 50 tonne. Well, maybe not 50 tonne, but a lot more than you could lift on your own, I'd say. It wouldn't be a steam threshing festival if we didn't at least have a look at a few of the tractors. So let's have a do. Let's do just that.
I hear the chainsaws again here just beside us on top of the hill. Always a big attraction.
They don't disappear into a swamp. We're doing very well here.
On there.
The bits you really miss out on in these videos is the smell of these machines. It's incredible. I actually love it. That's a bit of Irish culture for you now.
So parents or parents, if you could find your way up there, please, and remix with Maliki.
It's getting later in the day there now, so a lot of stuff is actually cleared off, but I still see a bit of interesting stuff around. Nice golf there. Beetle. T25 camper, another T25 panel van down behind it, which is unusual to see. It's a serious auto jumbo here. It's just a pity some of the classic characters that work in it, but sure, you get that, unfortunately. Still a lot of very positive things about this show, actually. It's really well worth coming to see.
Hold it there, guys, just let him move on.
Blacktop, Moody is looking for many candidates. Hold the car up. Go on ahead, lad. Okay.
Now that's what you call traffic. Fantastic. Well, we're just leaving the Moynalty Steam Threshing Festival. It was absolutely fantastic. Lots of great things to see and do there. It's a brilliant day out for the whole family, actually, in fairness. And despite the fact that Owen is in the background there crying away to himself, he enjoyed it too. You wouldn't think it now, but he did at the time.
We slept first.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, but there's lots of stuff we didn't even get to see. I mean, we were just walking out, and apparently there was a stone cutting display, there was a road making display. They were talking about that on the public address system, which they seem to be going on about the whole day. There was some idiots in the auto jumble who tried to flog me a set of spotlights for 40 quid and got ticked about it when I told them that was a bloody rip-off for the spotlights they were. So I got a pair for a tenner, which will look really smart at the front of the Golf, and wiring is there for them as well too, so that's another little job to do. So all's good. So we're heading home now anyway, and I'll start editing together this video.